Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check Telegram message code. But before I show you how to do this, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do, if you're creating a Telegram account and you need the code to power it up and it's not receiving, here are a few things you can do. First, go to your settings, and then we need to find messages. So messages are right over here. And then you want to scroll down and you want to enable send as SMS. So you want to make sure that is enabled. And you have this filter unknown senders. Now, if this is turned on, this will basically sort messages from people who are not in your contacts into a separate list. So for example, if I were to send you a text message, it would be in the filter unknown senders because we don't have each other in the contacts. Now, that's something that could happen with Telegram, potentially why you're not getting the code. So to see the code, go back. You want to open up your messages. At the top left, you want to click on filters, and then you have unknown senders. And basically here you potentially could find the code because these are all of the unknown senders that have sent you a message. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.